So take note of the amount of USDT I currently have. That is about 0.003860 units of USDT. So I'm going to claim more now. So you see the increment. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to teach you how you can successfully claim out some units of USDT into your Faucet Pay account. So if I scroll down a bit, you'll see several cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, the Ethereum, Dogecoin, Litecoin, Bitcoin Cash, Dash, Tron, and so many other cryptocurrencies. But for the purpose of this video, we'll be focusing on USDT. You can see that we'll be able to claim out this amount of satoshis of USDT just in 5 minutes, guys. Okay, before we proceed, if you're new to this channel or you're visiting this channel for the first time, kindly subscribe to this channel. It's totally free to subscribe. You have nothing to lose, and make sure you turn on your bell icon so you always get notifications of important videos. Okay, before we'll be able to claim this, we need a Faucet Pay account. So if you don't have a Faucet Pay account, you can just head on to your Chrome and type faucetpay.io and create an account with them. After creating an account with them, your dashboard is going to look like. So in this my Faucet Pay account now, if I scroll down a bit to show you the list of coins I have, you can see that I just yesterday I received about 0.000299910 units of USDT. You can see the date here on the 16th of May 2022 from this site you are seeing right here. And if I scroll down to show you my balance, you can see that this is Tether USDT and I have currently 0.0038006 units of USDT. And the good thing about this is that it's totally free to claim, guys. You have nothing to invest, absolutely nothing. This site is totally free to claim coins. So take note of the amount of USDT I currently have. That is about 0.003860 units of USDT. So I'm going to claim more now, so you see the increment of what I'm talking about. So quickly I'm going to minimize and head straight to the site I'm using to claim this. So if I just click on this one that says Tether Faucet, it's going to load up a bit and bring me to a page where you paste in the Gmail you used to create your own faucet. So after that, quickly scroll up a bit and click on this one that says claim from faucet, guys. So it's going to load up a captcha that you need to solve. So you just quickly solve the captcha and click on verify. After solving the captcha, quickly click on this one that says verify down here, guys. So if I click on this one that says verify now, it's going to load up a bit and land me to a fresh new page, guys. So you can see your faucet claim of 0.000299970 USDT has been sent to your Faucet Pay account. So all I have to do now is just to head on to my Faucet Pay account and check whether this actually entered. Remember, you have about 5 minutes to repeat the same action you just performed now and claim more of units of USDT, guys. So quickly I'm going to minimize now and head back to my Faucet Pay account. So this is my Faucet Pay, and the first thing I need to do is just to refresh and check whether this actually entered. So I'm done with refreshing. All I have to do now is to scroll down, and if you check very well, you see that this is today, guys, 17th of May 2022. I've been able to claim another 0.000299970 from this site, a crypto USDT, guys. So if I further scroll down to show you my balance of USDT, you can see that this is Tether USDT. You will notice that it has increased from 0.0003 to 0.0006 now, guys. So this is how easy it is to claim coins right from this site. So one thing is that you can only use Faucet Pay accounts to claim these coins. As we were registering, you can notice that we only use the Gmail address we used to create this Faucet Pay account to put into the site, then withdraw straight to this Faucet Pay accounts. But then if you want to withdraw to your external wallet, take for instance your Trust wallet or your Binance wallet, your Coinbase, any wallet you make use of, that's not a problem. All you have to do is just to click on this one that says withdraw at my home screen. If you just click on withdraw, it's going to load up a bit and bring you to a page where you'll be able to fill in the amount of coins you want to withdraw. So remember, if I scroll down, this is for normal withdrawal. Normal withdrawal takes at least 4 hours to be received in your wallet. So if it is USDT you want to withdraw, you can click on this one and change it to the amount, to the coin you want to withdraw, guys. So I'm going to pick Tether USDT. So this is Tether. If I pick it, then you put in your withdrawal address you're going to copy from any wallet you make use of. Then you put in the amount you want to withdraw. Then they're going to collect just a little token from as their fee. Then you place withdrawal. Within 4 hours, it will be received in your Trust in your wallet, guys. But if you want priority withdrawal, this one takes just 5 minutes to withdraw. But one thing is that they will charge you higher in this one. So remember, the name of the site we use to claim this coin is arobot.net, guys. arobot.net. I'll be placing the link to the site in the video description, so you can just do well to click on it. It will take you to the page faster. So this is the video I have for you guys for today. Hope you guys really liked it, and do well to give this video a thumbs up. We really appreciate it, and do well to hit that red subscribe button and make sure you turn on your bell icon so you always get notifications of important videos like this. If you have questions to ask, you can put it down in the comment section, and I promise to respond to your questions immediately. Thank you guys, and I will see you in my next video.